This channel has made $18,000 per month by creating sexy model. Let's see how it looks like. These videos are so simple and don't require much time to make. But I found a secret way to bulk making 10 of this video in just one day. Not using Midjourney or Leonardo AI or other popular image generator tool. It's a never-seen-before tool that is so powerful and free. I'm about to show you. So, if you're interested to make some quick money in making simple video like this, keep on watching. Step 1. Generates AI images. It generates about 16 images to make a 1-minute plus video. So we're doing the same thing here. Of course, you can use some cliché tool, such as Midjourney and Leonardo AI. But if you try the free version, you will know how difficult to use those tools. They have limited time and limited images. Plus, there are a bunch of people using them, which make them so slow to process. But what if I tell you there is an amazing free tool, which doesn't need wait time, and generated high-quality, unlimited images? The best part is, it can make up to a lot of unique. So first of all, we're going to one of the videos in the channel and steal one of its images. We're not really stealing his image, so no worries. We're just using the image as a reference. So go to the channel and screenshot one image. Now, crop it, and it's time to introduce this powerful tool. It's a tool called Sea.Arts AI. Just sign up an account. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. It's super easy and free to use, and can create 18 restricted images, which most of the AI image-generated tools won't allow. Make sure to use the Magic Pen tool to make the best quality images. You will have 150 token after signing up, which can create a lot of free images in order to create one video, which is 16 images. We only need to create 4 times. Now, let's create. If you want to learn how to create perfect prompt for AI, make sure to grab the free tool in my description box. Okay, I'm not sure. Should I look at them now? But if this is the thing for you, then you can make simple prompt like young sexy Korean lady and other sexy words and try it out. That's all I can say. I really don't want to give out too much as I don't want to violate YouTube term. Now it's time to edit the video. Step 2. Edit video. This is super easy to do. You can use CapCut or Wondershare. I personally use Wondershare as it provides me free, no copyrighted music, and also free stock media, and they are both free. After opening the software, just put in the 16 images and select all images and drag to the timeline, and it's basically done. It's honestly that simple and no skills required. But of course, if you want to make it better, you can add music and transition to make it better. Simply drag some peaceful music for transition. I am choosing fade to white, and select all clips to apply the same transition. And here's the final result. It's really that simple. I don't even know what to write anymore. Although it's not the best way to make videos, but it does fulfill some audience's interest. If you really need to make a quick money, you can consider this as your side hustle. This really required 0 skills and money. All you need is a laptop to make daily content. Now, if you want to make 10 videos per day, just use the same method and apply it for 10 times. Then schedule it using Metri.Cool, which is a free schedule software online to bulk schedule. Now you can sit back and watch the cash flow in while doing nothing. If you don't know how to create a good prompt on Chat GPT, don't forget to grab your free AI prompts to create the best video on YouTube. Here's a couple videos to catch up and comment down below your favorite AI tool.